Hello, young lady. You've got a hungry woodpecker.
I've got a very huddled up little woodpecker
Oh,
right
dear.
up in the top of the...
Yeah.
You see spots right up in the corner. You see him?
Okay. Yeah. See if we get him moving, see what he does. Right.
Do you want me to get behind?
I get really cross when my net does that. Is he low side or high side with that bit that's sticking out?
High side. Alright, where do you want me, Simon? Nope.
You can't pincer it from there. We really want him on a better bar, to be honest. You go the other side in case he does come. Say when you're there.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Right, do you want to go again, Jacob? So when?
Yep, 3, 2, 1. Go.
Where is he?
Centre beam, right at the top.
Right at the top.
Other side, yeah, there.
Right.
Up there on the cross beam.
Tell me where.
Ready when you are.
3, 2, 1.
Right, it's on your net, Jacob.
Don't move.
He's in yours.
Don't move. Get ready to go into my net in a minute. Right, come down on top now. Get at the right angle.
He's gone.
If you get under there, I don't think you will, if you could. You stand more time. Okay, hold him there. Right, come down very slowly, very carefully now. Just come with me. Keep going, keep it against the wall. Okay. Right, hopefully it'll be a rescue release just to see how fat he is. Take him out and have a look.
Do you want to take hold of him?
Come on in. Oh, I know. It's not too bad. Ow! Now, don't go through any more doors. Just take him down this way a little bit. He's looking like he's a tiny bit thin, but not horrendously. Both eyes are working. Yeah, I think he's ready to go. Go on then, sweets. Go on, off you go. Wasn't very grateful, he didn't even say thank you.
If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel by pressing the red button. And make sure you hit the bell to get notifications of our latest content. If you want to help us save wildlife, please donate. Every £1 you give will help us to save more wildlife.